Only 3 ingredients. This is my favorite dinner. It's delicious. I will start by putting in a pan 200 grams of pasta, a teaspoon of salt, and then water until covered. Now let the pasta cook for 10 minutes. Then I will grate 150 grams of mozzarella. This recipe is amazing. Make it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. Done this, I will break 4 eggs in a container and then stir very well. Tell me if you have any different recipe with pasta. I would love to know. Now I will season with a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, then I will stir again, so that the seasonings are added to the eggs. Then I will add the cooked pasta and stir once again. Finally, I will add the mozzarella that I grated previously in the egg mixture and I will stir everything one last time. Has become one of my favorite recipes since I first tried it. Now I will put a tablespoon of butter in a pan to grease. I will stir with the help of a spatula to help melt. Then I will add the mixture I made in the pan and arrange with the help of the spatula. Now I will cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. After time, I will uncover and take our recipe from the pan to grease again. I'll put another tablespoon of butter to melt and our recipe won't stick. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe. Then I will return our recipe to the pan and add mozzarella to taste. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Lorraine Brand from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I'll cover and cook for another 5 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. Is a perfect recipe for any meal of the day, whether it's lunch, dinner, breakfast, or even a snack. It's an amazing recipe. So I love this recipe. I'm sure you and your whole family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. This recipe is amazing. It's quick, easy, there are few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it at home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.